How to create a to-do list with checkboxes in Excel. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an interactive to-do list with checkboxes in Microsoft Excel on a laptop or a computer. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna head over and click on developer option over here, and then you're gonna click on insert. So if you're not able to find this option, what you can simply do is head over and click on files, and then you're gonna click on options over here, and then you're gonna click on customize ribbon, click on developer over here, and once you do so, you're gonna select your add-ins. Click on OK, and after that you'll be able to see this developer option appear. But before that, you gotta make it in the form of table. So you gotta select all of this and then click on insert, click on table, and then you gotta select this, that is my table as headers. So click on OK. And now you can see that a table has been created. Now if you wish to add checkboxes, what you can simply do is that just select it, head over to developer, just click on insert over here and then click on this over here, that is checkbox. So once you do so, you're gonna click anywhere on the screen and a checkbox would be added. So I'm gonna click on here and I want the checkbox to be here. So I'm gonna click over here, click on this, and then click here. Now you can see that a checkbox has been added, so you can position it according to your own choice. I'm gonna position it somewhere like this, and then you can simply erase this. And then you can see that a checkbox has been added. Now, if you wish to copy it or you wish to the other rows to have it as well, you can simply drag it like this, and you can see that the checkboxes have been added. So that is basically how you can create a to-do list. So you can simply, check this if the activity has been done. Now, if you're using the 365 version of Microsoft Excel, you'll be able to see that the checkboxes option is somewhere here and insert, and if you do have that, then that's quite easy. But if you don't, then this method is available on every Excel. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.